Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Rob here, and welcome back to my channel. If you can tell, if you've been to my channel before, you can tell that I have a new space that I'm in. Right now, I am
traveling across country from Florida to Nevada.
If you're new here, well, I'm a 30-something-year-old who likes to build wealth and talk about finances and also including investing. And speaking of which, speaking of building, today's video is going to go over my second rental property in sunny Florida. Honestly, this video, I just want to hopefully motivate somebody to also get into property, real estate property investing. And additionally too, what also I'm gonna talk about is I'm gonna be very transparent of how much I purchased this house for, how much I expect to make, the upgrades I did. So stay all the way through. Also, if you like this video, please do me a favor and destroy the like button, do all the things. It will help our community grow, and it will help with the YouTube algorithm so that we get noticed a little bit more. With that being said, let's go. All right, first, before we get into anything, let's get into the specs. It's a single family home with over 1,400 square feet, built in the 1980s, with 3 beds, 2 baths, and a garage. Just FYI, I'm moving, so there are things around the house, but we hired a cleaning service to come and a cleaning service and also a handyman to come and fix everything up. All right. It's time to walk through my second rental property. These are my dogs that are coming with me. All right, over here we have the master bedroom. It's a pretty great size. Lived in here for the past 3 years. Got one closet for her, him. Get the bathroom in here. Got the little walk-in closet once again for well, not walk-in closet, but closet for him or her. Got access to the back patio. And just FYI, this entire place is going to be clean from heads to toe. Just in a couple of days, we hired a cleaning service. So here's the master bedroom. Right here we have a chimney. All right, great place to put the couch or a couple of couches and chairs. Next up, we have the backyard, which luckily our backyard is huge. Tall little trees over here. Got a shed back over here. And you have more space all the way back there. Now right over here, as you see, there's a little bit more space. Well, it's a backyard for the price I paid. And once again, I'm going to talk about how much I paid and give you the background. So I bought this place in 2017 it was on the market for $192,000. Luckily though, so I'm active duty military and I am able to use my VA loan benefit. Basically what a VA loan is it's a loan that's, guaranteed by have a backing of the government. So what does that mean for me is that I didn't have to put any money down. Usually when you get a conventional loan, you have to put 5% down or 20% down to be able to purchase a house. But yeah, for me, I didn't have to put any money down. So overall, it was $192, but with closing costs and stuff like that, it got included in the loan, so it ended up being $198. Last time I checked, the houses were around $250,000, but that's not including the forced appreciation I did to the place. So what that means is like upgrades, like the flooring that you just saw, also including the air conditioning unit that I just replaced. That was actually built in 1980, so I had to replace that. Yeah, and that's about it. Right to the rest of the place. All right, next we come back in, and now we have the dining room area. That's my dog behind me, what you're hearing. This is the kitchen. We have a brand new refrigerator. We bought this in 2020, right after the pandemic. New microwave, we bought that last week. Here's the laundry room. This dryer we bought in 2019 after the old one broke down. Access to the garage right here. Enough space for 2 cars, kind of. This definitely needs to be clean. But luckily, like I said, we got a service coming in. This kitchen. It's our second bathroom. Next we have our second bedroom. It's a really good space. I'm hoping that find a couple of roommates to pick out this spot, or a family. Everyone's seen the bathroom, and this is here's another spot, another room. All right, now these hardwood floors, we put them in back in January of 2020. Before it was nasty carpets from like the 80s or 90s. So that definitely needed to be replaced. We painted the walls over here. The walls were just like some crazy colors, and we definitely needed to change that. So we painted all the walls, including the master bedroom. So yeah, there's a bunch of upgrades we had to do to the house. The most expensive one was our air conditioning system. This bad boy is like brand new. Our last one broke down, and having no air conditioning system in Florida is suicide. So we had to spend $5,000 to upgrade to a new one. And that's it for the house. So now for the part that everyone's been waiting for, or stayed to the end of the video for, is, how much money I'm going to make from this property. Well, we're talking over with my property manager. I expect to make around $1,600 a month from my tenants. And based on that, well, my property manager is going to take 10% for doing their part, managing their property. After that, my mortgage is $1,200 per month. So after they take away that, my property managers take away 10%, which is $160. Then afterwards, I'll have enough left over, subtracted by 1,200, and then that's like I'll have like around $218 per month, which is not great, which is not bad. But it's something. Someone's paying my mortgage, and also I'm receiving some type of some net profit. Additionally, it may not be a lot, but however you think about it in long term, with all the upgrades and such, I will have a decent amount of money where then I can equity into the property, where I can then now sell it for a good price, while also the mortgage loan is decreasing due to someone else paying for it. So that's my end game for this property. With that being said, I greatly appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. I will create a video later down the road talking about my real estate journey in depth, a little bit more history behind it, my other properties that I have, and so forth. So stay tuned for that. Additionally, if you want to hit me up or slide in my DMs on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, I will put the links in the description below. Hopefully this helped you decide, get into real estate. And do not forget to smash the thumbs up button. Appreciate it. Peace.